this video, I'd like to demonstrate how to enhance course materials that you may be using from a publisher, instructor materials that company book when you adopt a particular book. So in this case, the first thing to do would be to go to the View menu, and let's modify the slide master. Under the View ribbon, under Master Views, you're going to want to choose the slide master. And like most PowerPoints, they have all the typical slide layouts, 2 columns. So in this case, we're going to want to create a derivative slide similar to this, and what you'll want to do is choose something. We're going to add a new layout for inserting images or videos onto a slide. So in this case, I'm going to just modify this 2-column layout, and we're going to create a duplicate layout, and then what we want to do is we can modify this layout. So in this case, we're just going to modify the slide slightly, just changing the width of the first column here. I'm going to create a little bit larger slide here to insert an image, and then also what's important is to make sure that text shows up inside of your outline view. What you want to make sure to do is use these placeholders in the slide master view. So in this case, we can add more content: text, picture, chart, table, smart art, media, or online image. In this case, we just want to create a caption area down here for our image or for our video. And just drag across there, and you want to make sure that the slide, the text is sized appropriately. You go to the home menu, and I'm going to shrink that down to 14. Remove the bullets, and then let's just rename that layout. So in this case, it just copies the information from the previous, the one we duplicated from. So in this case, we're going to choose call it to content with caption, and select rename. Alright, and then if we go back to the slide master and close the slide master, we're going to add our images to the slide. So to apply the custom layout that we created, you go right click on the slide and go to layout and choose our customized layout, and then it adjusts that text appropriately, puts that in that first column, and then over here we want to insert our image. So you can just select that box, that first content box. I'm going to go to the insert menu, choose pictures, and add our cell anatomy image. And then we'll also want to add in the caption there. So we're just going to call this anatomy of a cell, and I'm going to bold that. And then we also want to add maybe a link to a YouTube video about cell anatomy. So I'm going to place in here to learn more about cell anatomy. Watch this video on YouTube. Alright, so then whoops, this video on YouTube. Okay, so what we can do is make or hyperlink this text. Go up to the insert menu, hyperlink. We're going to paste in the YouTube video that we want there, or you can browse to a video or recently browsed pages, or select OK. And then we can also create a hyperlink on the image as well. And it's important to also put in some information here to let people know where they're going for assistive technology. Let's put view this video to learn more about cell anatomy. Hit OK and OK again. And then in order to preview this, if you go to the presentation mode, and then now as we hover over these images or the hyperlink, you should see the little pop-up. We didn't put the screen tip there, so it's just showing the address. We can fix that at a later time. So then we click that. It should prompt your browser to open up a new page with the video in it. So, and then now what you'll want to do is you can, by choosing Alt-Tab, you can go back to your PowerPoint presentation and continue with your PowerPoint presentation. So another possibility is to just embed the video right within the page or right within the slide. To do that, you would just delete that image, and then in PowerPoint 2013 you have options where you can insert images, tables, smart art, pictures, online pictures for, like, if you're searching for clip art, and then insert video. So in this case, or you can also insert video up here at the top, online video or video from your own PC. So in this case, we're just going to create an online video. The process is about the same. If you click on that video, you can actually do a search. You can browse your computer. In YouTube, we do a search for cell structure and function. And then we'll choose this first video, which is the same one we linked to before, and then you select the video and then select insert. And then in this case, it looks like it's a little squish, so you may also want to go to under video tools, format, and adjust the size. Select this icon down here in the bottom and it opens up, and as you can see right now it's 100%, or the height is 75% and the width is 100%. So we want to adjust that slightly. We're gonna make that back up to 100%, and then that should look right. And then again, to preview this to see if this works properly, you can just go back into presentation mode, and then it takes just a few seconds, and then it should show up as a embedded YouTube video with with the play button there, and then we could just check on it, click on it, and then it works just like it's embedded into a web page. Alright, and then you hit escape to get out of your presentation mode, and there's other things you can do to enhance your PowerPoint videos, or with videos or hyperlinks. In the next video we'll go over how to attach audio to a slide, or how to attach another file, like another Word document or something else that prompts the Word document to open, so that you can provide feedback to student assignments and different things like that.